In this video, I will talk about the third meditation technique, as I already did first two techniques in the first part of the video. So if you haven't seen them, please do watch it in the first part. Now the third technique is the most important when it comes to energy and emotional well-being. We all know that everything in the universe is made up of energies. The whole game is of energy, and energy neither dies nor created. They simply transform. You must be aware that sun is the product of nuclear fusion, where hydrogen is converted into helium, thus energy is transformed. So the same way, we can convert our emotions into intense powerhouse within our system. Pain, sorrow, anger, they are very common manifestation of human emotions and are very intense. And that's where the beauty lies. This intense form of sorrow, anger, etc. can be channelized for meditation. So the third technique says that when you experience intense emotion, stay there. Stay with the emotion. Don't fight it, don't defend it, don't argue, just accept the way it is in totality. For example, if you are hurt, then accept it that you are hurt and live the moment in totality, rather than going in future that I will do this and repent it like this, or I should have done that, etc. And stop giving any excuses and running away from it. For example, I misbehaved because that people did that to me, or like I'm not hurt when you are hurt. So don't give excuses. Just accept the emotion in totality. Don't dissect it. When we dissect emotions, then it reproduces itself and keep on haunting us. Thus, the same concern keeps on haunting us. From time to time, the emotions come back and we have to go through all the pain again and again. But when we live an emotion in totality and accept it the way it is, then that emotion transforms into profound meditation. It becomes like a device for meditation. And in deep emotions like sorrow, anger, pain, guilt, etc., the energy is intense. Thus can experience very profound and deep meditation, which in turn becomes a powerhouse of good health and well-being. So next time when you are hurt, then don't run away from it. Don't give any excuses, but simply accept it and don't try to change it. Just simply accept it in totality and you will witness the transformation in you. Meditation brings quality to life. It connects us with the universe which guides us. So do make the best use of these simple techniques, as these techniques are tested for centuries by enlightened beings. These simple techniques have the potential to bring quality to your life, health and well-being. I do want to clarify one very important misconception about meditation. There are many people who think that meditation is only for people who chase spirituality or for aged people. But the very fact is that meditation is the most beneficial for the younger generation because it brings quality to life. For example, if a student is taking down the notes, then the quality of notes will decide his marks, not just writing down anything. Same way, meditation brings quality to the things that we do. And also, it narrows down the time. Meaning, if there is anything that we can achieve in 10 years, with meditation, we can achieve that in 3 to 5 years. It is so because people who meditate don't exhaust themselves with unnecessary things and waste their energy, and because of that, they get sharp focus and thereby are able to avoid a lot of self-created hardships. And once we activate the connection with the universe always keep on guiding us. So do know that meditation is for everyone, and these simple techniques have the potential to bring quality to your life, health and well-being. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.